Okay, I'm going to show you how I'm replacing the belt on my DR pull type mower. So had a broke belt. I ran over a rock, locked it up, burnt the belt off. So I got the belt off, but short, sweet, and simple. Here's how you do it. You take the guard off this pulley, the guard off the belt cover right here by the battery. Same thing on the other side. Go ahead and just take it off. This gas tank is held on with 4 bolts right here on each side. Take the bolts off, slide it over the side. It's well worth the time. Over here on the back, there's another plate on the back. It's got 4 bolts right here, 2 up there, 2 more. This will, so you can reach this back pulley and you not have to reach it from the front. Okay, so get everything out of your way. It's worth it. So what I did was I took just a simple ratchet strap. I tied it off to the post over here on the porch. And what I'm trying to do is get this spring, this hook back on right here. Well, I can't do it all at once. And then I got the other end tied to the ball of my truck. Just 2 ratchet straps, no big deal. So put tension. You got your ratchet strap hooked underneath this pulley right here. This is the one you're trying to pull over. You're trying to hook this. And you just use these pliers, pull it over, hook it up, and you're done.